Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Hello everyone, it's Lala and welcome to my channel. I'm here with my husband Ray and we are on our way to Baguio.
Hi, good morning.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry.
Hi guys, we have finally arrived here in Baguio. It's now 2:42 p.m. Actually, kanina pa kami nasa Baguio. The drive took around 5 hours lang. However, nung nasa Baguio na kami, na-traffic kami. And earlier, we tried to go to Kanto. Doon sana kami kakain, kaso walang parking. And hindi sila nag-a-allow ng waiting. So, dito na lang kami lumipat sa Lemon and Olives Greek Taverna. Isa tong Greek restaurant and yung chef nila from Greece talaga. So, authentic Greek cuisine talaga yung sinaserve nila dito.
Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never sleeping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you wanna,
Ngayon lang ako nakakatingin ng Greek coffee. Para siyang lang, brewed coffee. Konting asim, no?
Pero parang super tapang.
Super strong. Kaya paglaban. Tapos, wala siyang cream or sugar, which is good. We're trying to be healthy this new year. Pero, okay na. It's a good experience na makatikim ng Greek coffee.
So, we ordered this Greek coffee. And medyo hindi kasi namin siya alam kung paano inumin. Dapat palang haluin. So, we tasted it na hindi hinahalo. So, the taste was medyo strong siya. Para siyang may espresso shot. Then, nung minix namin siya, it just got stronger. Then, may pagka-sour taste din siya. Meron siyang aftertaste na maasim. But overall, it's good. It includes this biscuit. Siguro this complements the taste of this coffee. So, yun. Try namin later. Ipag-mix siguro.
So, I ordered masuka para tong lasagna. Pero instead of pasta, eggplant yung ginamit. Sarap. Yung sauce niya on the sour side. Yung Italian na style, not Filipino. Ayan.
So sa akin naman, in-order ko yung pork tenderloin kebab. And it comes with, of course, the main course, kebab, and then may side dish na salad with freshly lemon squeezed. The sauce, para siyang yung Jack Daniel's sauce sa TGI Fridays. Then may pilaf rice, so you have a choice of fries or rice. Ayun. As nag-fries na kami kanina, so rice naman. So yung pilaf rice daw, it's made of butter and lemon and garlic. So, yep, medyo maasim yung rice, pero yep, masarap naman.
And we also ordered hummus dahil favorite ko to. Pag kumakain kami sa Mediterranean na restaurant, I always order hummus. Let's see. Let's try. First time ko tong matitikman dito. Medyo subtle yung taste niya, no? Parang hindi ko nalalasahan yung... Ano yung... Hindi na yung nilalagay. Tahini ba? Parang sauce na lalagay nila sa... Or oil. Not sure. Pero it's just super subtle. It's good. It's time for dessert. Classic baklava. Actually, dito ko lang to na o-order. Parang dito ko lang siya nakakain. Parang di pa ako nakakain ng baklava sa ibang restaurant, so I don't know what the standard is. But this is really good.
So ito na nga yung pinakaiintay na dessert. Isa sa menu nila na talagang kaya namin pinuntahan is this one. Their specialty in dessert, baklava. So this is actually the second time that I'm tasting this. So let's see kung may pinagbago. Medyo matigas, no? So kailangan ng matinding pasensya. Okay. Yeah. Sweet, pero if you're familiar with Mediterranean sweets, ayan, yung papa ko kasi he used to be an OFW sa Saudi, so nag-uuwi siya ng Mediterranean sweets and parang ganun yung lasa niya, but there is like an additional, meron siyang coconut, ayun, so, and very sweet, so kailangan ng matinding tubig.
So, try kong ubusin tong kape. Dahil lang mahal niya.
Pero worth it the price naman.
Ubusin natin.
Try po ito, baklava with coffee.
Hindi, tinry ko na tong
Matamis po.
cookie. Parang raisin. Raisin cookie siya.
Now I'm right here if you just need to cry.
parkingan sa Botanical Garden. So, dito na lang kami sa The Mansion. Magkalapit lang sila. Ayan. Nagpa-drop muna kay Ray dito sa The Mansion habang naghahanap siya ng parking space because hindi niya alam kung saan magpa-park and para na rin hindi ako maglakad ng sobrang layo. Need mo pala ng online booking para makapasok ka sa loob ng mansion. However, cut off na sila. Hanggang 3 p.m. lang pala sila nag-a-allow inside. So yun, dito lang tayo sa labas. Pero okay lang. Siguro tomorrow if may time pa, balikan na lang natin to para makapasok tayo inside. Ilocano siya. Naipatakder kas iproponer. So I think, ang sabi niya, pinatayo to ni William E. Parsons in 1908. So ayan na si Ray. Ito naman pala, may English version naman pala. So constructed at the instance of William Cameron Forbes, following the design of William E. Parsons.
Yeah, took your picture again? Yes.
Sitting there.
Yeah. So before and after.
Bubu, cut off na.
Okay, we're here sa The Mansion. And did you know that The Mansion is the place where the President of the Philippines spends his vacation? Yan. And when we were here noong 2022, hindi siya naka-open. So it was closed to the public. Medyo strict pa kasi nung pandemic noon. But now, ayan, we were able to get inside. But dito lang sa may parang what you call this? Driveway. No? Hindi kami naabutan ng cut-off eh. Naabutan kami ng cut-off 3 p.m. lang daw. So sa akin, pwede daw pumasok dun sa loob. Okay?
Yeah, but you have to book in advance sa online. Yung QR code nila nandun. But I think you can search it naman online. Ulan, pero ang ganda ng fountain. Lumapit nga tayo. Doon sa malaki.
Pasok kayo?
Lumapit lang, oo.
Please don't stand or sit in the gutter.
Hiningal kami.
Ngayon kami, 4th floor.
Nasa 4th floor to, tapos walang elevator. So, ayan, naka-check-in na kami sa hotel. Ang pangalan ng hotel na to ay Finteo Skylands. Sobrang mura lang nito, guys. Kaso, walang elevator. Kaya, eto, hingal. So, 4th floor to. Pakita ko. So, sobrang simple lang. Fan room lang siya. Walang AC. So, may double bed, plastic cabinet, and then may mini fridge. May maliit na TV. Eto. Malinis naman. Maliit lang. And sobrang mura lang nito. For 2 nights, it's only 3,500. More or less. So, around 1,750 lang siya per night. Kaya namin binook to kasi pet-friendly to. Dapat kasama namin yung mga fur babies namin. But when we check, hindi maganda yung weather. Also, yung mga pupuntahan namin medyo hassle. May dalang aso. Kasi on our 3rd day, punta kami ng Atok, Benguet. Tinanong ko doon sa receptionist kung may night market pa ba. even if umuulan. Sabi niya, kung tumila-tila daw ng konti, baka may night market. So, yun lang ang problema, guys. Dito sa Baguio. Every time na pumupunta kami, laging maulan. Pero when I search naman sa Google, sabi, driest month ay January. Pero January ngayon, maulan pa din. Ang gusto ko pala dito, guys, sobrang tahimik dito, bawal lang maingay. Ayan, sa labas lang ng room, merong water dispenser. So, ayan guys, kitang-kita mo ang Baguio dito. And, ayan, maulan pa din. So, sadly, dalawa sa destination natin na hindi natin napuntahan today because of the rain. Hi, so we are here at Cafe Will Bar and Restaurant. So originally, we planned to go to Baguio Night Market, but ayaw matigil ng ulan. Parang tag-ulan pa talaga dito. It's already January. Pero okay lang. Siguro tomorrow, sana hindi umulan. So we can go to Baguio Night Market. Ang ganda ng ambience dito, may live band pa. And yung cuisine nila, Pinoy cuisine. So, let's see if masarap. Yay! Dumating na yung order namin. We ordered grilled stuffed squid, pork cutlet, so parang tonkatsu, no? And then, yung appetizer namin dapat. Sabay-sabay lahat. That's French fries and dalawang kanin. So, let's try this stuffed squid. For sharing yung mga ulam dito, good for 2 to 3 persons.
Then we have this pork cutlet na in-expect ko na kasi nakalang siya ng cutlet sa Yabu pero parang for 2 to 3 person siya. And how does it taste? Yun, masarap. Malambot. And they have this special sauce na medyo sweet and sour. But yung texture niya para siyang gravy. So, okay na rin. Vegetables dito sa Baguio. Alam mong fresh na fresh. Malulutong. Hindi lang tutay. Good.
May nag-birthday, guys. Happy birthday.
Birthday yata nung isang guest. Malamang. Mamaya makikijoin kami doon. Oh, si Sheila daw ang may birthday.
Happy birthday, Sheila.
Happy birthday, Sheila.
Yung feeling niya, parang meatloaf. Parang giniling na super pino yung pagkakagiling. Parang meron siyang meatloaf sa loob.
Parang ano na, parang kamatis yung nakain ko.
Marami na, no?
Oo. Okay. Cutlet. Siya cutlet eh. Cutlet. Laki eh. May toothpick.
May toothpick pala.
Oo, no? Oo, kanina.
Parang may matigas.
Pang ano yun, stabilizer.
So, sobrang laki ng serving nila, guys. Ang dami namin leftover. Take out na lang namin. Ayan. Yun, halos din namin nagalaw yung fries. Wala siyang lasa, guys. Tapos, nakakatawa to. Yung mayo tsaka ketchup. Hindi siya hinalo. Ketchup, tas nilagyan lang ng mayo sa ibabaw. I'm not sure if normal ba yun.
And yeah, almost na naubos na rin namin yung food, but It's very big serving talaga siya. So, kung kakain kayo dito, kung mag-order kayo, kung dalawa lang kayo, siguro kahit one viand lang and one appetizer will do. Pero kung marami kayo, this is the best place when it comes to serving talaga. Kasi ang laki. So, para sa American serving din. And then siguro sa service, okay naman. Medyo matagal ang pag serve ng food. Then yung water namin ngayon lang din dumating. Pero I understand naman, medyo busy kasi ngayon. Pero yeah, we can recommend this place then if you want to eat out.
Hinintay ko lang ngayon si Ray. Pumunta siya ng 7-Eleven to buy some stuff like water, yung coffee namin tomorrow, and tissue. Kasi dun sa hotel, wala talagang toiletries, even bathroom tissue wala. Pero it's okay kasi sobrang mura naman nun. Thank you so much if nakaabot ka sa part ng video na to. And if nagustuhan mo tong video na to, paki-like naman. And paki-subscribe din sa channel ko. Nag-start pa lang ako mag-YouTube. And hopefully, our community will grow here sa channel. Thank you so much and see you on the next video. Bye!